Have you ever wondered why Washington, D.C. becomes the capital of the United States instead of famous cities like New York, Los Angeles, or Chicago? What makes this city one of the most important political centers in the world? Welcome to Washington, D.C., the heart of American democracy. In this video, we'll explore its history, landmarks, population, transportation, food, and the unique features that make it one of the most influential cities on Earth. Washington, D.C. is located on the east coast of the United States along the Potomac River. The city was established in 1790 and named after George Washington, the first president of the United States. Unlike most American cities, Washington, D.C. is not part of any US state. It was specially created to serve as the nation's capital. Today, the city has a population of around 7 lakh people, while the greater metropolitan area is home to more than 6 million residents. Washington, D.C. is best known as the center of the US government. The city is home to the White House, where the President of the United States lives and works. Another iconic landmark is the United States Capitol, where Congress meets to create and pass laws. These buildings are not only symbols of American democracy, but also some of the most recognized landmarks in the world. One of the city's most famous attractions is the Washington Monument, a towering structure built in honor of George Washington. Standing more than 555 feet tall, it dominates the city's skyline. Nearby is the Lincoln Memorial, dedicated to President Abraham Lincoln. This historic monument becomes famous around the world when Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his legendary I Have a Dream speech there in 1963. Washington, D.C. is also known for its incredible museums. The city is home to the Smithsonian Institution, the largest museum complex in the world. Visitors can explore museums dedicated to history, science, aviation, space exploration, art, and culture. One of the best things about these museums is that most of them are completely free to visit. At the center of the city lies the National Mall, a large open park surrounded by monuments, memorials, and museums. It is one of the most visited places in the United States and hosts many national celebrations and important public events throughout the year. The economy of Washington, D.C. is driven by government services, tourism, education, technology, and international organizations. Transportation in Washington, D.C. is highly efficient. The Washington Metro is one of the busiest subway systems in the United States and connects the city with neighboring areas in Maryland and Virginia. The city also has extensive bus services, bike-sharing programs, and several major airports that make travel convenient for residents and visitors alike. Washington, D.C. is also a great destination for food lovers. One of the city's most famous local dishes is the half smoke, a flavorful smoked sausage often served with chili and onions. Seafood, especially crab cakes and blue crabs from the Chesapeake Bay region, is also very popular. Thanks to its international population, the city offers cuisines from all around the world, including Ethiopian, Italian, Indian, Chinese, and Mexican food. The city experiences 4 distinct seasons. Summers are warm and humid, while winters can be cold with occasional snowfall. Spring is considered one of the best times to visit because of the famous cherry blossoms that bloom around the Tidal Basin. Every year, thousands of visitors come to admire these beautiful pink and white flowers during the National Cherry Blossom Festival. Today, Washington, D.C. is much more than just the capital of the United States. It is a city where history, politics, culture, education, and innovation comes together. From the White House and the Capitol building to its world-class museums, diverse food scene, and beautiful monuments, Washington, D.C. offers a unique experience unlike any other city in America. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next city documentary.